keep in mind when you're doing this job after you're done, you're going to want to go to a local garage and have the vehicle aligned so you don't have premature tire wear. Just take this cover off, use a 15mm socket. There's 2 bolts on the bottom, 2 on top, sometimes there'll be a third. Slide it off. Take this cotter pin out, just use some side cutters. And pull that out. Just gonna use a little rust penetrant. It's a little rusty. Take a 21mm socket, take this nut off. Now I want to separate the idler arm from the steering bar. I'm just going to use a front end tool. There's many different tools you could use to get this off. Just tighten this up. Put the nut on just so my tool doesn't slip off the stud. It's just going to use it as a guide. Another way you can try to do this is use the pickle fork. There we go. Slide that out. I'm going to take these 2 bolts out. I'm going to use a wrench, a 21mm wrench, backside to hold the nut. Use a 21mm socket on the bolt. Take both of those out. And pull the bolts out. And just grab the whole idle arm assembly and then just slide it up. If you're going to replace just the arm or just the assembly, you're going to have to separate it. So use a 24mm socket. It helps to put it in a vise. And then you can use a puller and separate these 2. Just like that. And take the arm, put the new nut on. Just snug that up tight. All right, just line this up. I have to tap this in place. That's good. Before you put the bolts through up top, just make sure it's going through this bar right here. And we'll put the bolts in. Take the 2 nuts, get them on the back side. Snug these up. Set these bolts to 74 foot-pounds. And take the castle nut, install that there, tighten it up. Then torque this to 46 foot-pounds. If the hole didn't line up, you can just tighten it up a little bit more so you can put the cotter pin in. Slide the cotter pin in and just bend one of the tabs over and trim the excess. Take this shield, install it, put the bolts back in, and tighten these up.